Velas is a blockchain innovation-based organization settled in Switzerland. It is a fake instinct work DPoS blockchain biological system for interoperable and exceptionally versatile exchanges. Velas has the quickest Ethereum virtual machine or eBPF half-and-half blockchain agreement, permitting up to 75,000 GOT exchanges each second. An exchange affirmation comes surprisingly close to 1.2 seconds. Besides, Velas used the benefits of blockchain innovation in devices to make a straightforward, open-source, local area-driven decentralized environment. Thus, we should begin with Velas' cost forecast. The fork of Solana with implanted EVM combination mainnet was sent off in 2020. Velas has worked with the arrangement in light of Solana alongside its extra elements, and it is viable with EVM and guarantees adaptability to the stage. EVM permits Ethereum-based dApps and DeFi conventions to work flawlessly in Velas. Furthermore, Velas additionally upholds all Shroud agreements based on the Ethereum blockchain. Velas Opportunity Project is an aid for designers. They don't need to take care of end charges while building the tasks. The ongoing cost of Velas is 23 cents, with a market cap of $541,802,226.67. We should find out about what will Velas be worth, alongside specialized examination in Velas cost forecast. What is VLX? The local badge of the Velas stage is called VLX. Utility coin is predominantly utilized in three ways. Right off the bat, for marking. Dealers can stake it and get awards for block approval. For this situation, Velas utilize designated marking system. Stakers can appoint their token to the favored hub. There is no limit for appointing the stake. Also, every one of the administrations of the Velas stage, like Bitorbit, are paid utilizing the VLX token. At long last, clients can exchange and put resources into VLX tokens like other digital currency. The benefits incorporate installments made in VLX tokens that can be traded or sold at the ongoing business sector rate through administrations like Bittrex. HitTC. Velas is prescribed to store the coin in Velas wallet. What are the upsides of utilizing Velas? Velas permits the client to construct decentralized applications, savvy contracts upheld by speedy installment affirmation. The expense of exchanges is small in examination with the rivals in the business. The biological system thinks about security, versatility, and interoperability as the fundamental worries. With Velas, purchasers can fabricate an application, run a validator hub, coordinate dApps from EVM, incorporate a trade, and accomplice in the award program for contributing items and innovation for the biological system's development. To be a piece of the cutthroat race in the blockchain business, Velas has declared a plenty of new ventures which are extremely helpful for the clients. Some of them incorporate Velas Pad, Bitorbit, and Velas Record. Velas Account involves biometric validation of the client gadget for exchanges and login demands. No requirement for discrete passwords. Velas Account gives a 360-degree perspective on associated applications and meetings on all gadgets. Besides, the point of interaction creates simple relocation from unified to decentralized arrangements. Bitorbit. It is a decentralized online entertainment stage for records, visits, and content. Content designers can adapt their work, and supporters can pay for it, and this stays away from the intricacy of go-betweens inclusion. Velas Vault. Clients can designate the secret phrase security and keys to the division calculation utilizing Velas Vault. The data will be conveyed over the organization, and in particular, it won't be accessible for any of its members. In the back end, it has different components to safeguard information security. In any case, the framework makes the client liberated from the capable worries of information protection by assuming a sense of ownership with their high-level component. Purchasers will help in the accompanying ways, putting away their advanced resources with various sorts of approvals and getting and putting away passwords from different administrations through Velas Record approval. VLX Specialized Investigation. The digital currency market has returned to a seriously persevering through bullish pattern for the December 7th exchanging meeting after the merciless fall of the earlier week. Other than monetary concerns and financial guidelines, financial backers began overlooking the worries of the Omicron variation. BTC was flooding to $50,000, giving a certainty lift to the crypto market. Youthful financial backers are hustling behind crypto craziness and got significant computerized resources at lower costs. When the market had plunged a week ago, the worldwide cryptographic money market hit $2.37 trillion, unfurling truly a development. Absolute crypto market volume has contacted $137.77 billion. Crypto fans and the crypto business are not prepared to stop for the concern of danger to the macroeconomic and monetary solidness of the countries. The ongoing cost of Velas VLX is 23 cents, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $17,122,663.27. The coin's market capitalization is $541,802,226.67, with a coursing supply of 2,283,522,550 VLX. The greatest cost at which the coin exchanged was 57 cents, which is on November 4, 2021. An everything time low was noted at 1 cent on October 16, 2019. Taking a gander at the specialized examination graph, after Velas cost had been hanging for a long time, it went through cost activity in November and costs began to flood, shaping new highs. On November 4, 2021, it contacted the untouched high in the Velas cost history. After the Velas cost increment on November 4, 2021 shaped an immense negative candle on the diagram with a sell Velas sign. After the non-stop ascent, this has occurred with each token. Financial backers lose revenue inputting and witness an enormous pullback in Velas cost levels. Once more, in the wake of taking help at half of the rising coin, a somewhat bullish pattern began. Velas VLX began falling through a diving wedge example, and it was ruthlessly followed back to the greater part of the raised level from the most extreme cost level. Velas cost today is 23 cents. Right now there is a minor climb in the value which could turn positive sooner rather than later. Velas value expectations 2022 to 2026. The Velas cost has given a decent revisitation of financial backers for the last year. Critical returns in a solitary year made Velas worth the effort for the people who had the coin in their portfolio. The unpredictability of advanced tokens generally relies upon the predominant market situation. Somewhat, the undertaking group have some control over interest and supply. The expansion pace of the coin likewise influences its cost. Velas cost estimate is unrevealing long-haul development. VLX value forecast 2022. During the last part of the year, it is anticipated to move the cost to 31 cents, and the most extreme future cost expected is 32 cents. The base cost is normal at 29 cents. Thus, the year's typical cost is 31 cents territory just in light of our Velas cost figure. VLX coin value forecast 2023. Velas devotees can expect a beginning at a typical cost of 35 cents and a base cost of 31 cents according to our Velas cost estimate. The VLX conjecture anticipate the Velas cost will contact 39 cents around mid-year, and the greatest worth expected for the year is 38 cents. By 2023, according to our Velas coin estimate, it will break the record ever high and will be moving to new highs. VLX crypto value forecast 2024. VLX crypto gauge predicting a start of 32 cents in January 2024. Velas cost forecasts show it will break 49 cents by July 2024. Velas gauge information implies that a greatest anticipated reach will be 40 cents, another expansion for the coin esteem. Crypto sweethearts can put for medium term in the coin. Velas value forecast 2025. In view of our VLX coin figure, Velas future appears to be bullish in 2025. The year will begin at 58 cents. Velas crypto cost conjecture proposes the worth will arrive at a most extreme worth of 53 cents in the year. VLX cost forecast 2025 causes Velas to merit putting resources into a long time from now. Velas value expectation 2026. According to our